What if I told you Tesla's next battery has already leaked, and almost no one is talking about it? Not through a flashy Elon Musk tweet, not through a Tesla press event, but through quiet supply chain whispers, patent filings, factory upgrades, and insider reports. And if these leaks are real, this battery doesn't just improve range or charging. It changes how electric vehicles are built, priced, and scaled forever. Today, we're breaking down what exactly leaked, why Tesla kept it quiet, how this battery works, why competitors are panicking, and how this could kill lithium. As we know it, this is not hype. This is not speculation alone. This is Tesla's next battery revolution decoded. Why Tesla never announces its biggest breakthrough, Tesla doesn't reveal breakthroughs the way Apple does. Apple announces, gives, then builds. Tesla builds first, gives, then lets the world catch. Remember? The 4,680 battery structural battery packs. Gigapress casting. All were leaked months, sometimes years, before official confirmation. Why? Because Tesla plays a different game. Public announcements raise expectations. Expectations raise regulatory pressure. Pressure slows executions. So Tesla leaks unintentionally through factory permits, supplier contracts, patent language, equipment imports, employee hiring transand. That's exactly how this battery leaked. The first signs something new was Myeonjin, late 2025. Something strange started happening. Clue number 1, unusual factory upgrades. Tesla quietly began upgrading. Giga Texas, Giga Berlin, a mystery facility linked to Nevada. These upgrades didn't match 4,680 expansion standard lithium-ion lines LFP production. Instead, permits referenced high-temperature solid electrolyte handling, advanced dry-electrode processing, multi-layer structural energy modules. Those phrases do not belong to current lithium-ion tech. Clue number 2. Supplier leaks. Several Tesla suppliers reported. Canceled lithium expansion contracts, reduced cobalt dependency forecasts, increased orders for ceramic-based materials. In batteries, that's when analysts started whispering to words. Solid-state hybrid. What this next-gen Tesla battery actually is. Let's be clear, this is not a full solid-state battery yet. Tesla is too pragmatic for that. What leaked points to something smarter. A semi-solid hybrid solid-state battery, a battery that keeps liquid electrolytes, where they still work best, replaces failure-prone sections with solid electrolytes, integrates directly into the vehicles. Structure in simple terms, it's a bridge battery between lithium-ion and full solid-state. And that's exactly why it's dangerous. WHY full solid-state failed, and Tesla knew it. Every company promised 1,000 miles, 5-minute charging, 100,000 cycles, almost none delivered. Why? Because full solid-state batteries face massive problems: cracking under vibration, thermal expansion, mismatch. Manufacturing at scale, cost per kWh, is insane. Tesla saw this early. Instead of betting everything on a fragile moonshot, they engineered a scalable evolution. The core breakthrough, dry-electrode 2.0, this leak confirms Tesla has finally cracked dry-electrode manufacturing, version 2. Why this matters. No solvent drying, no massive ovens, smaller factories, faster production, lower cost, but the real breakthrough. Dry electrodes now work with solid electrolyte layers. That was the missing piece. This allows higher energy density, better thermal stability, reduced degradation, longer cycle life. We're talking 30 to 40% energy density. Gain 50% cost reduction, 2 to 3 battery lifespan. Not a rumor, engineering math. Structural battery 2.0. The car is the BATTR. Why Tesla isn't just changing chemistry, they're changing architecture. The leaked documents describe multi-layer load-bearing energy modules, meaning the battery pack is now part of the frame. Fewer parts, less weight, higher stiffness, better crash safety. This isn't a battery inside a car. The car is the battery. This alone increases range, improves handling, reduces manufacturing steps. Legacy automakers can't copy this easily. How fast can it charge? Here's where things get wild. Internal testing reportedly shows 10 to 80% in under 9 minutes. Without extreme degradation, using existing supercharger infrastructure. How? Because lower internal resistance, better heat tolerance, improved ion transport layers. This means no exotic chargers, no infrastructure rebuild, no safety compromise, just better physics. Range numbers realistic, not clickbait. Let's kill the fake numbers. Tesla will not. Launch 1,000-mile Model Y 5-minute full charge. That S YouTube fantasy. What this battery realistically enables: Model Y 420 to 450 miles, Cybertruck 520 miles, Model 3 refresh approximately 400 miles, semi-massive. Efficiency gain per kWh, but here's the kicker: same range, smaller battery. That means lower cost, faster production, more vehicles. WHY competitors are quietly PANI. Look at the reactions. Toyota delayed solid-state timelines. VW doubled down on software. Instead, GM pivoted back to hybrid talk. Chinese EV makers focused on price wars. Why? Because Tesla just leapfrogged the roadmap. Legacy platforms can't integrate structural packs. Retooling costs billions. This battery invalidates many future EV plans. When will Tesla actually use this battery? Leaks suggest pilot production already running, limited rollout. First, likely debut in Model Y performance, Cybertruck refresh, possibly Robotaxi. Why Robotaxi first? Because high cycle life, low degradation, 24/7 operation, perfect testbed. The real goal, autonomy plus ENRG. Why's this battery isn't just for cars. Think bigger. Robotaxis, grid storage, home energy, AI, data centers. Long life plus fast charge equals energy backbone. Tesla isn't selling cars. They're building the physical layer of an AI-driven civilization. Why Elon Musk hasn't talked about THS? Simple. Because once Tesla confirms, stock volatility explodes, regulations tighten, competitors react faster. Tesla wins by executing quietly, and by the time this battery is announced, it will already be on the road. Final thought. This is bigger than a BATTRY. This leak isn't about chemistry, it's about manufacturing dominance, cost curves, speed, scale. Tesla isn't waiting for the future. They're building it silently, and when the announcement finally comes, the industry won't ask, "Is this possible?" They'll ask, "How did we fall this far behind?" Voltistry signature Eon GF. This leak is even 80% accurate. Tesla's next battery doesn't just change EVs, it changes transportation. It changes energy. It changes competition forever. Subscribe to Voltistry because the future doesn't arrive loudly. It leaks first.